Stampers from my Southern Colorado studio, and today I am bringing to you some fun Valentine's projects. So we're going to be using these punches and all kinds of fun things, and these are some things that you may want to add to your kit. So this is originally filmed for one of my community classes that I teach on a kit basis. So if you would like a stamp set to utilize with this kit this month, I've got it written down on my paper right here. You can follow along there, but I wanted to show it to you both in the catalog and in live person. So this is called Heartfelt. It's one of my favorite Valentine's sets that we have. And these hearts are going to correspond back to your kit. Now there is also a 2-punch pack, and that features a scallop heart. Not sure if you can see that in the light, as well as just a smooth finish heart. So you have two different hearts, and they're designed to layer the smooth on top of the scallop should you choose. I have used those punches in the kit, and everything for you will come pre-punched, so you don't have to have those. But if you should want, the Heartfelt stamp set is item number 151417, and it's $17. And it gives you several different sayings that you could use on your card. Anytime you order with me, you're going to order at sizzlenstamper.stampinup.net, and you're going to click shop. And this month, if you'll use the host code NDWHU, T as in Tom, the number 3, and then D as in Dolores. That's where you'll order. The Heart Punch pack for those 2 punches is $34. Now, Stampin' Up! Does a lot of things where they bundle, and so this is offered as a bundle, so you could get the stamp set plus the 2 punches for $45.75, and that item number is 153775. The punches alone are 151292 for $34. But if you decide to go with this bundle, you're about $5 away from being able to choose one of these free items for celebration. This is only done, it's only 2 months. It's from January 5th through February 28th, but it allows you to, with every $50 net, you can not purchase, but you earn for free a special item, either a designer series paper or a stamp set. This just shows you a couple other options of things that you can do with this stamp set and punch pack. So I wanted to show you that before we began today, and I was approved to be able to show and give you a stamp set suggestion going forward with our projects here on the Hive. So in your kit, I'm going to have to show you a variety because you may get a little bit different variety. So in your kit, you're going to get a base like this. This is a box base. You're going to get a sleeve like this. Then you're going to get an envelope, and it's got these really cute metallic gold dots on the liner inside. Then you are going to get one or the other. You're either going to get a stripe, and either one has gold accents. So this one is striped with gold accents, and this is dotted. Okay, you're going to get one or the other. And then you're going to get some combination of heart punches. You might get petal pink, you might get a print like that, you might get pool party or a scallop like that. There's going to be a combination. You're going to get two hearts of some combination. You're going to get a little piece of ribbon that you will tie into the knot. And you're going to get, I'm going to show those to you on this. You're going to get some of these, you're going to get the white, some white, a sprinkling of these white, and they are teeny, teeny, tiny miniature resin hearts. They're so itty bitty, you can see how tiny they are. But you're going to get a few of those. And then again, you will get a scrap of white paper. There'll be various sizes because they will be scraps. And then you will get one or the other of these. Okay, these are double-sided. So you'll either get one that has the 2 hearts and the little row of hearts, or you are going to get this one that says you are loved, and you're going to get the back side, which is a wash, okay? You're going to get one of those. Again, it will be a mix. So when I show you today's project, I'm going to show you a variation for depending on which card you get. Sorry. So the first step, first of all, let's build the box, because the box base is probably may appear to be the most difficult. It's actually easy once you know what you're doing. So the first step is it's pre-scored, so you want to go through and really burnish and burnish, it's called, where you really fold in all of those little score lines. You want to get those pre-folded so it will just go together so much easier. If you have any of these little things, little tabs that pop out, take those on out. You do not want to have any of those in there. Okay, so once you have all of those like so, the next step is to take and just build the box. And I'm going to start, if you'll start with this, where you have a little tab facing you and this angle out. Take those and move them in, and bring up this side and move it in. I'm going to turn mine, because you want to have those tabs like so. Then these outside tabs come in, and you've probably folded it to where it's bending in, but they're actually going to bend outwards like so. And then when you come in with the angled piece, same deal, bring it in, and you see it has a little latch, and you're like, why is there a latch? You're trying to put this box together like a lid. It's not that type of a box. It comes in and bends down like so. Okay? So if you need to, rewatch this part of the video a couple of times. It will come together once you see how the box is designed to go, because the box, even the package I received, does not come with any instructions. So you have to know that you're building a box to look like this. It looks like just the inside of a box, okay? In your kit, you're also going to get, look at this beautiful box of fun candies. So you're going to get some sort of assortment that they're all going to be Valentine's-y, and they're going to kind of coordinate back to the colors in your thing. But you'll get a few candies that can go into your box. I'm going to shift that box slightly out of my way. And so the next part is this sleeve. So on your sleeve, you're going to want to look and see, where is it that you have an extra overlap? That's going to be the bottom. Put that on the bottom. This nice smooth score, that is your top. Now you're going to decide whichever card you got, this is where you need to decide which way you want it to go. So I'm going to show you, this is one right here, and I chose the You Are Loved. On this one, I'm going to show you the vertical one. You're going to just take your glue. I'm using our Tombow multi-glue, but you can use any white glue, any double-sided tape, a seal, a snail runner, a tape runner, whatever. The trick here is you do not want to, you're going to center that from the edge to that score line. And there is going to be a little bit of an overlap. And then you're going to put that box like so, that sleeve. Okay? So I like the Tombow because just like that, I got mine a little bit too over, or you may prefer to do it like this is another method. You could choose to put your glue up on your sleeve. That way you're assured to get your base on there evenly. Okay, isn't that beautiful? I love it. So cute with, you've got some melon and the pool party, of course, one of my favorite colors. Then with those little tiny, tiny white resin hearts, which all of a sudden mine are, they're there. They're so miniaturized, they hide on the desk. I like to use scissors, but you can use tweezers or whatever. just when you get it, make sure you pick the full thing up off of it, okay? So I'm going to do another little white heart inside of that heart for this one. You can play with it and put it however you want. So those are two different ideas on this one. You'll see I put my little white heart right there. All right. And so now you filled your box with candy. You could add shred, you could put whatever in there, and you just slide it all in and it's nice and done. If you want to stamp on the outsides of your box, I recommend doing that beforehand. But there's how they look when they come together. So you have these super cute little treat boxes ready to go. Fill them with whatever you want. You'll get a sprinkling of candy. It may not quite fill it to your liking, so you may need to add to it. But that is the box. That's the part one. It's that easy, guys. Super easy. So the next part is the card. And again, remember, you could have two choices. You might have the stripe, you might have the dots. Again, you're going to have a variety of hearts that are coming in this kit for you. If you do have a saying or a stamp set, and I apologize, these are going to be upside down. I filmed two different directions. My Facebook Lives go one way, and then my actual edited videos, I film them the opposite. So I'm going to turn that around so you aren't reading upside down. Here's the host code. Here's that Heartfelt and stamp set punch or the bundle. My website, host code again. My information if you just want to get in touch with me. There's my email, my Facebook page. You can find me under Sizzlen Stamper Shannon Miller on Facebook. So the next piece is I am using from that cute Heartfelt stamp set, I am using the stamp that says, being friends is better than eating candy, but let's do it that too. And that's because I'm designing this as the idea that you would give the coordinating card with your candy treat box. Now, you don't have to, but that's just how I designed it. And this stamp, I just think it's fun for that. Again, if you don't have that, you can use a different stamp that you might have. You can always just write Happy Valentine's Day. There's a lot of other ways. And these cards are designed to where they're going to be fine even if you don't put any saying on them. And I'm going to be trimming that down later probably, more than likely. So now I'm going to take my card, and for the striped version, I'm going to take this pool party and this one. You're going to have the two hearts are going to come to you, okay? They're going to come pre-punched for you. And you're just going to glue them however you want. You're going to adhere them to it. You know, as I always tell you guys, this is your kit. You can make it however you want. These are just ideas to get you started. The only limit is whatever supplies are included or that you have on hand. And so for this one, I'm going to kind of design it to where the two hearts are tipping like so. And I'm going to show you, I'm not going to actually adhere this onto this card because I want to be able to show you it in on both cards. And I just wasn't thinking and only stamped it one time. Okay. So then I would probably put that right down there, kind of off the side. You can always center it. I like to do things off sides at an angle. Remember, it's that triangle, odd numbers, threes, so your eye moves with it. And then with this card design, you can see where I added a little white resin heart and I added my gold ribbon. So that ribbon is some of our gold shimmer ribbon. That was a carryover item. And you're going to get a little piece of it. You'll just tie it in a knot and glue it on there how you like. And then you'll add your saying. But do you see what I'm saying? This card is super cute. I could have just moved those down slightly and then just written Happy Valentine's Day inside. If you don't have a stamp or whatnot, you don't have to, you do not have to have the stamps to make this. I just want to give you that option. So that's the first card style. If you get card 2, I'm going to, and you're going to make some creation of the two of these. I'm showing you two varieties so you can kind of do it yourself. I wanted to show you one that might be able to be done vertically. So if you chose to have your card up and down versus across. So I'm gonna have, this one has a petal pink heart. I'm gonna put that down low. And it has one of these foil. This was a beautiful paper that we had about a year ago, and I just love it, and I happen to have some still, so I put it in again. Again, if you had dimensionals, you could always put dimensionals on these. Oops. I thought I was going to move that bow, but it ended up being okay where it was. Anyway, so now I've got that stamped. I'm so used to doing stamping videos. I've got those layered on. Now, for this one, I probably might put my, actually, I think what I would do for this one is move this resin heart. And I would probably come in here and put my saying right there like so. And then probably drop my little resin heart somewhere in here. And because I pulled it off and it's already been adhered and used that glue dot, that's why you see me putting a little bit more glue on that card. You won't need to do that. You'll just stick it. Oh, goodness. These are teeny, so when you get ready to work with these resin hearts, seriously make sure you have a little pair of scissors or a little pair of tweezers, okay? Goodness, he does not want to come off of there and turn how I want him to go. Finicky. Okay. And so then I would probably put my saying right like so. Okay. And that is the other card. And then but again, if you didn't have a saying, you could have left a little white heart down here at the bottom and just opened it and written Happy Valentine's Day right in there. You guys know I love stamping, and I have really missed the stamping element of our community classes together. And so that's why I got approval if you want to purchase a stamp set that will coordinate back. Now, you may not have that stamp set when it's time and you have your kit, but you can always catch the video on replay or at my YouTube channel. Any questions, just feel free to reach out to me, text me, email me, message me, whatever. But I think these are super, super cute. And I hope that you're really going to enjoy your fun Valentine card and treat candy box. So until next month, guys, enjoy your stamping, get out there and help make someone else's day a little brighter. Bye-bye.